Have you ever been handed a prescription by your optician and wanted to order some funky modern glasses to go with it? If you have, you might have encountered optician jargon. There are so many technical terms, fancy phrases, and abbreviations in prescriptions that it can sometimes be difficult to understand exactly what they mean. But don't worry, this tutorial will help you in decoding those prescriptions. So the most common terms you'll encounter are OD and OS. OD stands for right eye and OS stands for left eye. But sometimes prescriptions will just have an R and an L, which we all find easier to understand. So remember, OD means right eye and OS means left eye. Next we have SPH, which means spherical error. But don't be put off by the word error. All this simply means is how strong the lens needs to be to correct your vision. Below SPH, you'll see a plus sign or a negative sign, followed by a number. The plus sign means you're farsighted, and the negative sign means you're nearsighted. So SPH means spherical error, plus sign means you're farsighted, and negative sign means you're nearsighted. Now these next terms won't always be seen on your prescription. It just depends if you have astigmatism. Astigmatism is a visual condition where the eye isn't completely spherical, but it's shaped more like a football. So if you do have astigmatism, you'll see CYL, which is the degree of which your eye is shaped like a football. And you'll also see axis, which represents where the vision is blurred from 1 to 180 degrees. CYL equals the degree of the eye being more shaped like a football, and axis represents where the vision is blurred. Now this next term you'll see on your prescription is ADD, which stands for additional. Probably the easiest term on there, right? ADD is used for bifocal and progressive lenses, and it's something which helps the vision by adding an additional feature onto the lens to help with activities, such as reading or watching television. ADD means additional. And finally, we have PD, which means pupillary distance. And it's pretty straightforward. PD simply means the distance between one pupil and the other. Now, if you're panicking because you don't have PD written on your prescription, don't worry. Please click here to check our tutorial on how to measure the distance yourself. PD means pupillary distance. So now you can read a prescription. Go ahead, show off to your friends and family with that impressive optician jargon. And then all you need is a white coat